afternoon, everybody. It's Cindy
And Christy.
at Candles and Supplies. And today, it's a beautiful spring day here today. We're thinking spring cleaning and stuff. So that's our focus on today is a nice natural spring cleaning spray that you can use to freshen up your home and give it clean and stuff like that. So today we want to share with you our new but not so new. We're calling it our natural 3-in-1 base. It's 3-in-1 because it's good for a little bit of everything. You can use it as a body spray, you can use it as a cleaning spray, you can use it as a fabric spray, you can use it as a spray air freshener. It's just a good natural all-around base. It's good at everything. So we had this during COVID times, and we were selling it as like a alcohol-free sanitizer base because it was very good at cleaning and it was good for your skin, and it's approved by the FDA for cosmetic use and stuff like that. So but we didn't want to discontinue it because it's just such a fabulous product. We had a lot of people using it for other things other than sanitizers and stuff. So as a cleaning spray, you want it to be a sanitizer though, so that's all very good stuff. No. Yeah, we've been using it here a lot. We really like it. It's not sticky. It's nice and clear. It's unscented, uncolored. It's odor free, so it doesn't smell. You're in charge of adding your own odors, adding your own scent or color or anything you want to. If you're using a cleaning spray, I wouldn't really add color. I'd leave it clear, just because whatever you're cleaning, you don't want it to be colored. It won't clog. It's not sticky, so it's not going to clog these fine mist sprayers. So any sprayer that you use, it's not going to clog it up and stuff like that. So but it's really nice stuff. The question that I asked is like, how can one base be good for a body spray? How can it be good for, a cleaning spray, this, that, whatever? How can it be good at all of those things and still be natural? So this base, it doesn't have it's alcohol free, it's chlorine free, it's paraben free, it's phthalate free, it's formaldehyde free, phosphate free, petroleum free, gluten free. So all those things that you don't want in your products, all those things that are good for like green cleaning products and stuff like that, it doesn't have any kind of things in there. So if you're cleaning, and like when I clean, I get everything into it. So like everything's clean. You can use it on fabrics, and you can use it on your skin. So it doesn't matter if it gets on your hands or whatever. But it's a nice base for all of that stuff. But how can one base do all that stuff? It's pretty powerful. So
Sounds like it.
mm-hmm. Yeah. We've been using it in our classroom to clean up after our classes. If you've ever been to one of our classes, you know that a lot of things happen in there. So a lot of messes. So we have a lot of people going in, and a lot of stuff gets done. So we use it to clean up from our classes and stuff because it sanitizes and makes everything smell real good and stuff. So that's why we decided to remarket it as our new 3-in-1 base, because it does lots of good things.
Especially so I want to talk a little bit about the whole natural cleaning thing, because that's like very big in the industry right now, and there's a lot of like natural brands that like if you read it, it's really not. They're just marketing it that way because I don't think there's a whole lot of regulation with that. I don't know, but
yeah, the cleaning industry basically it's a very loose set of rules on what you can use in cleaning. Like other things are very strict, like fragrance oils are very strict what you can use in them for candles and soaps and everything like that. But cleaning products, it's like, hey, whatever works, put it in your product and get it out there. So there is a big concentration now on green cleaning, so you'll hear that buzzword a lot.
Yeah, there's a lot of stuff in just because it's sanitize isn't necessarily always a good thing either, because like there's like a lot of like the Clorox stuff and that type of thing that like wipes everything away. I mean, you need some bacteria in there for your body to function well and everything. But there's a lot of like those products out there like that you'll look and you'll flip over and be like, okay, well, it says it's like a natural cleaner or whatever, and there's like a bunch of like things in there, got the SLSs and all those things in there, and you're like, okay, well, so like it's not really natural then.
Correct. So yeah, just formaldehyde, there's ammonia, there's all these things in there and stuff like that, and alcohol, and all those are very good cleaning agents, but you don't necessarily want them on there. There's other good cleaning agents too that you don't need. So this has simple ingredients. So it's a very simple kind of thing. The main ingredient, the active ingredient, it's used at like 0.16%, is benzalkonium chloride. So what that is an organic salt. So it's a salt. It's mostly used, it has antimicrobial properties, so it's used a lot in cosmetic industry. So They use it as a preservative in eye drops. So I mean, if you can put it in
Put it
your
in your eye,
eyes,
you're probably good
you
to
can clean
use
and use it as a body spray. It's used a lot as in makeup removers and stuff like that because it is the antimicrobial and it takes all that off. It's used a lot in like body cleansing wipes, you know, all those things because it's very effective at removing things, but still being natural
Salt
and safe for your
is
skin.
magical.
The next ingredient in there is purified water. That's very simple.
Makes sense.
Yeah,
Kinda
nobody
need the
should be
water
afraid
to
of that.
make it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Purified water. Next ingredient is glycerin. So glycerin is a humectant. They also use it a lot in food, like to bake with. It's sweet and stuff like that. It tends to be sticky, but there's not enough in here to make it sticky. But what that's going to do is kind of soften and smooth your skin. So if you're using, you know, cleaning and you're cleaning with it and you get it on your skin's going to be actually softer and smoother from the glycerin in there. And then the next ingredient is diesel glucoside. And I see this mostly in like liquid soaps. So this might be a product that we might start carrying because you can make a nice liquid soap from it and everything. So I see it a lot in cleaning products, liquid soaps and stuff like that. It's processed. So it is an ingredient. It's processed from 100% natural raw corn and coconuts. So it's made from corn and coconuts. So it is considered a natural product and stuff. It's biodegradable, it's non-toxic, non-carcinogenic, non-allergenic towards your organs or other reproductive health. So that's good stuff that keeps it green and it's safe for all skin types. And then the last ingredient in here, last but not least, is the 2-phenyl oxyethanol preservative. So it's a preservative, it's a fixative, so it's going to hold the fragrance in there for you too. It's an insect repellent, so you could actually do a whole other thing on like bug repellents and stuff like that and use this base as, you know, a bug repellent too. And it's a topical antiseptic. So outside of like what we're doing here in this product, it's frequently used in a lot of cosmetics. It's used in vaccines as preservatives. So anybody getting vaccines and stuff, guess what's in it? This. And then other pharmaceuticals as well as their preservatives because it's a very safe kind of preservative to use in that. So it's going to preserve this and everything too.
And obviously a lot of water in here, yeah. So you would need some type of preservative, otherwise it's going to mold and that'd be gross.
Correct. Correct. Yeah. So preservatives, what do preservatives do? They guard against mold, bacteria, yeast, fungus. Well, what are you cleaning? You're cleaning all that stuff, right? You know, all that stuff around and everything too. So it's going to help with all that things. So all those ingredients, very, very simple, all natural, non-toxic, that type of thing. I mean, anything in big quantities can be toxic and stuff like that. So if you read about any of these, you know.
So like don't drink it.
Yeah, don't. It's not for ingestion. It's safe on your skin, not for ingestion. And it's super, super easy to use. So as it is, it's nice and clear. We sell two different ways. Well, you can buy it in a big drum. We buy it in like big drums, or you can buy it. We have a 32-ounce bottle to try it out. And we have it in the gallons as well. So if you really, really like it, use it for lots of things. But today we're going to demo how easy it is to make a spray. So first thing I did was put some in a bottle. Second thing, I like to use a lot of essential oils when I clean too. Yeah. They're very good. So essential oils have a lot of like antiseptic, antimicrobial, all those good properties from natural, obviously, plant products and stuff. But some of my favorite oils to clean with, along the citrus lines, I like using citruses because they're very uplifting and very energetic.
I think people naturally associate cleaning with citrus products because a lot of the like original like old school cleaners are like lemon scented or whatever.
Right.
So I think that is like people naturally associate that. So it's kind of nice to keep that. And it is bright and cheery.
It is. It's bright and cheery and everything. So orange, lime, and lemon, and pink grapefruit. All four of those are excellent cleaners. Naturally on their own or anything, and they smell fantastic. You can also mix these, yeah. And then along the herbal lines and stuff. So if you're looking for more herbal, not necessarily all citrus, and these blend nicely too. So you can also blend them. Eucalyptus is a big one that I see a lot in natural cleaners. So it's very clean, very fresh. Peppermint's another one that I see a lot in natural cleaners. So peppermint's an excellent choice too. It's a little sweeter than eucalyptus.
That one's a fun for like a holiday too.
It
doesn't have to be holiday, but like that'd be a fun like Christmas one.
Yeah, peppermint mixes well nice with everything too. So if you did like a lemon peppermint or lime, it mixes well with everything too. You wouldn't think it would. You think it'd be pretty dominant on its own, but it mixes well. And then lemongrass, very good one. Lemongrass is also a very good insect repellent too. So if you're, I know at certain times of year, like here, ants like to come in. They just, those little tiny ants come into your kitchen. So if you use like lemongrass in your cleaner and stuff like that, it helps keep them away too. So cucumber also helps with that. They don't like the smell of cucumber. So, and then lavender. If you have to buy one essential oil and have it for the rest of your life, lavender is it because it's good for absolutely everything in the whole entire world. So also very, very popular. And then a little more, I mean, this is a very good antimicrobial, antiseptic and everything. Tea tree oil. Very, very good cleaner. A little medicinal smelling and everything. It's kind of
I love
love
the way
hate.
it smells.
Yeah, it does smell like you've cleaned and stuff. So it's a little medicinal smelling. So not everybody likes the smell of tea tree, but it's very effective for a lot of things. So, and then another one that I was thinking of too, which is good. We have a synergy that we do here called Be Healthy, which is pretty much like the old thieves. So it's got all of those things in there to help antiviral and antimicrobial and all that kind of stuff too. So that also makes a good cleaner, especially like in the winter and fall, because it's very spicy smelling. There's like cinnamon and clove and stuff in there. So it makes a very good spicy kind of cleaner.
So there you go. You got your fall cleaner with that and the peppermint with your winter cleaner. Good to go.
Right.
Now we're going citrus for spring.
Right. You can mix them too. So like last fall I made this cleaner. That's one we used at the house and it's got like orange and the thieves in it and stuff like that. That spiced orange. And I still like it this time of year too. Spicy, so I still like it. So this base is super easy to use. Basically, select your essential oils. I'm gonna let you do this.
Oh yeah.
So you can have the cleaner.
I know. I'm taking this home, so I don't know what I was picking my oils. I'm gonna take home and clean later. So.
Yep. All right. So as much as you use, it's recommended to use like up to 2% for things, especially body sprays. You don't really want to use more than 2%. There's a point at which, I mean, this is soluble and stuff. There's a point at which that it's not gonna solubilize anymore and you'll see your oil sitting at the top. So we put them there up to 2%. Or you can use fragrance oils or essential oils. I like the essential oils because they have natural cleaning properties in there, but essential oils are good, or fragrance oils are certainly good too.
So you don't need like a polysorbate or anything in
No,
your help
it's
mixer.
all in there. Yep, the oils and everything are going to mix in there and it's going to be wonderful.
Got dangerous there.
But usually I'll put like 2 drops per ounce. So this is, 16 ounces. So you can use like 30 or 35 drops and you can mix them. Of course you pick tea tree. She's picking the tea tree. Are you mixing it or solid tea tree? Okay. Yeah. But yeah, use up to like 35 drops. Yeah. Ooh, tea tree and lemon.
Yeah. Okay. Nice. There we are.
All right.
See it still on the top.
So we put it in there, yeah. So initially when you put the oils in there and everything, they kind of sit on the top. So you put the lid on, give it a good shake. And it may discolor. It may stay that color and may go back to clear. Do it once, but that's what it looks like. Everything solubilizes, everything mixes in there and stuff. So I think it's probably going to clear up because it's maybe
a little
not.
bit of a tint.
Yeah.
But it doesn't really matter. So.
Yeah, so without adding like alcohol, which would clear it up because we want it to be alcohol free and chemical free and stuff like that, it takes on its own color and life. So, and that's it. Shake it up. It's ready to use right away. It doesn't need to cure.
Smell it now.
Doesn't need to do anything. Yeah. Yeah. So give it a whiff. Yeah.
It's mostly lemon, but you feel a little bit in the background.
So that smells pretty strong just with using those 30 drops in there. It smells pretty strong and stuff like that. So I find like I don't really need to use any more than like 2 drops per ounce in the bottle. So 16-ounce bottle, we use 30 to 35 drops. Or you can make one spray and use it for everything. So that's what I like to do. The less the better. Less bottles the better around. So.
Yeah, the cleaning industry has really made you think that you need like 6 different cleaners to clean your house, and you really don't. So,
right.
Like, I have a bathroom cleaner. There's a tile cleaner. There's a counter cleaner. There's so many different ones, but you really don't need that many different ones. So
one thing that this isn't, I have to admit, this isn't really great at is windows. I do like using good old vinegar. I hate the way vinegar smells. I like the way vinegar cleans, but I hate the way it smells. And it seems to stick in my nose. So vinegar is better for doing windows and stuff like that. So this will get them clean, but it's not gonna. I like being crystal clear, see through.
Yeah, I feel like windows is a little bit different because you have like the clarity part. So take this thing, give one cleaner. You could do a different one for a fabric spray, another one for a body spray. A lot of different options with this thing. So.
Yeah, very versatile base.
Yeah, I mean, people have asked us like a long time too for like a body spray base or something like that, and it's works for all that. So.
Exactly. I'm gonna make some more cleaners here because I didn't bring any of my ones from the classroom because they're mostly empty. Not that that's embarrassing because we use them. So Christine's got a new cleaner for at home. She's super excited.
I got that picked up today.
All right. We're all set. That's all we have for you today. Have fun. Yeah. If you have any questions, give us a call. Post it in the comments there. We'll get back to your questions. Thank you all for joining. We'll have another fun-filled episode next week. Sounds good. Have a good week,
Bye.
everybody. See ya.